Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all my pupils. As usual, I hope you are doing fine at home. Okay, so today we are going to learn grammar conditional sentences type 3. So can you just open your textbook and turn to page 115. So let's take a look at this grammar topic. Conditional sentences type 3. Conditional mean syarat, bersyarat. Ayat bersyarat jenis ketiga. Look at this dialogue. Okay. Mary, hey, nice highlights. Highlight means penonjolan. Highlight. Okay. Kemuncak ataupun penonjolan yang menarik. Okay. Tina's replies, thanks, I was thinking of dyeing my hair red, but the hairdresser persuaded me not to. Terima kasih, saya berfikir untuk mewarnakan rambut saya menjadi merah, tetapi tukang gunting rambut memujuk saya agar tidak berbuat demikian. Mary answers, if you had dyed it red, kalaulah awak telah mewarnakannya menjadi merah, it would have made you look older. Ia akan menyebabkan anda kelihatan lebih tua. Highlights suits you. Penonjolan sesuai untuk anda. Okay. Tina answers, well, if I had known, I would have done it earlier. Baiklah, kalau saya telah tahu, saya akan telah melakukannya lebih awal. So you just pay attention to the point here, okay, to the grammar form here. Had died, okay, had died, and would have made, had known, would have done. Okay, so to make you understand this exercise better, okay, I want you to answer, okay, the question, okay, below the notes. Okay, the instruction is complete the sentences, okay, with the correct forms of the verbs in brackets to form conditional sentences type 3. Okay, I have prepared you a Google form. You just need to choose the correct answers. It is either A or B. Okay, let's take a look at question 1. Alice blank wear a suit if he know that the dinner party was formal. Alice tentunya akan memakai pakaian formal, suit, coat, kalau dia tahu majlis makan malam itu adalah rasmi. Okay, number 2. If colourful skirt not come into the fashion last summer, jikalau skirt berwarna-warni tidak tiba pada musim panas yang lepas, saya tidak akan membelinya. Number 3. Abang saya tidak akan naik berat badan jikalau dia tidak berhenti bersenam. Number 4. We avoid being misunderstood if someone tell us that the correct word in French. Kita tidak mungkin disalah anggap jikalau seseorang telah memberitahukan kita perkataan yang betul di dalam bahasa Perancis. Number 5. If you ask me for advice on how to change your appearance, kalau awak tanya saya bagai nasihat untuk menukar penampilan anda, saya akan mencarankan kita pergi membeli belah bersama-sama. And number 6. If Linda informed the hotel manager that she was dissatisfied with her room, kalaulah Linda telah memberitahu kepada pengurus hotel yang dia tidak puas hati dengan biliknya, he moved her to another place. Dia akan memindahkannya ke bilik yang lain. Okay, so please do this exercise. Okay, done with that. Done with grammar. Then we move on to listening. For listening test, okay, you need to listen to 5 people talking about clothes and appearance. Kamu akan mendengar 5 orang bercakap tentang pakaian dan penampilan. And match the speakers 1 to 5 with the statements A to F. Dan padankan speaker, okay, jurucakap 1 hingga 5 dengan kenyataannya A hingga F. There is one extra statement that you do not need to use. Ada satu kenyataan yang anda tidak perlu gunakan. Okay, let's take a look at the options. A. I change my lifestyle in order to improve my image. Saya menukar gaya hidup saya untuk meningkatkan imej saya. B. I bought clothes but never wore them. Saya beli baju tapi tak pernah pakai. Okay. C. If I had taken someone's advice, kalaulah saya mengambil nasihat orang lain, I would have made a mistake. Saya mungkin telah melakukan kesilapan. D. I hate it when people borrow my clothes. Saya benci bila orang pinjam pakaian saya. E. I would have got in trouble if I had changed my appearance. Saya mungkin akan mendapat masalah ataupun berada dalam kesusahan jikalau saya telah menukar penampilan saya. And F. I borrowed something and I didn't remember to give it back. Saya pinjam sesuatu tapi saya tak ingat untuk memulangkannya. So for today, you have two exercises. The first one is grammar and the second one is listening. Please do both. Okay. If you have any question, feel free to PM me. That's all for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Goodbye and have a nice day.